Hey, Recovery Fitness, Sean Humphrey here, getting ready to show you a video of an at-home shoulder workout. I'll talk about some of the reasons why I did the things that I did at the end of the video. Just check it out. If you enjoy it, you like it, you think somebody may get a benefit, please share it. Let people know what we're doing, and I hope you get something from it. Thanks so much. Hey, Recovery Fitness, Sean Humphrey coming at you after a little shoulder workout. Today I just want to take you through what I did for the workout. Suffering these knee injuries and being a couple days after surgery, being very limited on what we can do. I think we can always do something to help ourselves improve our mood or drive ourselves to get a little bit better. I know when I exercise, I heal quicker. Gets the blood pumping, it gets the endorphins moving, good hormones. I eat a little bit better. So I didn't do anything much today for me and around with my workouts, but that's the point. The point is it doesn't always have to be that killer workout that we imagine everybody else is having in order for us to get gains or results that are specifically for us for the reasons that we're doing them today. So I started with an idea going like just shoulders, 4 or 5 exercises, 3 sets of 20. Did not go off like that. I was using extremely lightweight for me. And, I got a couple sets of 20 in, and then it went down to 15 and 10, and I didn't finish the last exercise. I didn't even do it. And that's okay. That's completely fine, because I know I did something for myself in a positive way today. And I could have just been sitting around feeling sorry for myself. And the last time I had a major surgery, that's what I did. I sat around. I felt sorry for myself. I ate ice cream and chicken wings every day. That's all I would eat. And, took my narcotics and just kind of existed for about 6 months. And I was miserable. And the comeback on that took a long time. I don't know if I ever fully recovered from it. But today I choose to do it differently. And it doesn't have to be a lot. And so I started today's workout. Let's just get into it. It's kind of an at-home beginner's workout. So it's great for everyone to try who maybe doesn't want to go to the gym, or you're at the gym, you can implement this as well. But it's just very lightweight that I used. I had 12 and a half pounds in the dumbbells. You know, you can get them pretty cheap from 3 pounds, 5 pounds, 8 pounds, 10 pounds, 15, 20, whatever, you know, you need. But I started with, I started with shoulder raises for the lateral, the side part of the shoulder, bringing the elbows up. So it's going to work that nice cap. Then I moved to the front with the front raise that you saw. So it works the frontal deltoid. And like I said, I was shooting for 20, 3 sets of 20. I didn't get them all. Some sets you'll see maybe 15, some 10 even. Then over for the rear delts. That's just this posterior delt muscle kind of rounds out and hards out or caps the shoulder, gives you those nice round shoulders. And it's all for strength and mobility. And I can use this in every part of my life. It's coming true in how I have to move myself. If you saw me moving my body, I can't bend my legs at all. So to be up and down off of chairs, I have to have flexibility in my hips and my thighs and my hamstrings, my posterior chain, as well as have the upper body strength to hold and balance. And so everything that I'm doing in life seems to be helping this, or everything that I have been doing, at least recently, rather than everything I was doing in my life before taking away from it. But so it's important that we're always working and building these things for when life does happen to us, so life doesn't break us when we have these setbacks. And certainly mine was a setback. I would love to have seen a video. It's unfortunate that it wasn't a video. I remember it very clearly, but I'd love to see how it actually played out. But so, I went from the rear delts there and doing the stabilizers to the full shoulder press. Okay, up and down, works all 3 heads of the deltoid, as well as you're getting some tricep work in there. And then I just finished up with some incline push-ups. Again, I can't get down on the floor. There's no way. I would never be able to get back up off the floor. Even with help, it would be it would be a major issue. So I'm not pushing myself to a point where I'm going to hurt myself or injure myself and where I'm already injured. But what I am doing is I'm doing what I can to make myself at least a little bit better today. And that way, when I come back, I'm not up. The last time I had an injury, I went in to the injury at about 245 pounds at 7 or 8% body fat. And 6 months later, I was at 33% body fat, had lost about 30 pounds of muscle and gained 50 pounds of fat. And I was miserable. I refused to let that happen to me this time. I don't have to be, low body fat anymore like that. I'm getting close to 50 now, but I do want to be healthy and I do want to feel good. And I want to make this recovery as easy as possible. And to me, this is how I do it. I eat healthy. I exercise when and where I can. I keep my mind healthy, reading, writing, meditation, prayer, networking, collaborating with my fellowship, keeping God first, making sure I'm staying sober. That's another issue that we'll kind of get into with anesthesia and narcotics they had to put me on for the surgery and what I'm doing now versus that. But just want to show you guys that it can be done. I did it today, and if I can do it, you can do it. There's no doubt in my mind. If I can do something, everybody has the capability of doing it. You might not be where I am today. I've been going at it a while, but I started somewhere, and everybody starts somewhere. So if you have questions, you need inspiration, you need guidance, reach out to me. I'm doing online training now. We can sit and talk and dialogue just like this on Zoom. Check-ins, I come up with your workout plan, meal prep, you name it. Let's get together. Check out the website, www.recoveryfitnesswellness.com. We can chat on there. We can chat through Facebook. However you want to do it. Instagram, I'm everywhere. Check me out. Love you guys. All praise and glory to God above. Thanks.